Welcome! In this lesson, we will cover preparation and properties of some important compounds and the biological importance of key elements. First, let's explore sodium compounds. Sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. We'll show simple preparation ideas and key properties. Sodium chloride is table salt. It can be prepared by combining sodium and chlorine or by evaporating seawater. It is a white crystalline solid and dissolves easily in water. Sodium hydroxide is commonly made by electrolysis of brine. It is a strong base and feels slippery in water. It reacts with acids to form salt and water. Sodium carbonate, also called washing soda, can be prepared by heating sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is a basic salt and is used in glass making and cleaning. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda. It releases carbon dioxide when heated or when mixed with acids, making it useful in baking and fire extinguishers. Biologically, sodium and potassium are essential for nerve signals, muscle contraction, and maintaining water balance in cells. Next, calcium compounds, calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. We also discuss lime and limestone and their industrial uses. Calcium carbonate is limestone and marble. It is formed naturally and can be decomposed by heating to make calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide, or quicklime, is made by heating calcium carbonate. It reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, also called slaked lime. These are used in cement, soil treatment, and steel production. Limestone is used to make cement and as a building material. Lime is used for neutralizing acids, treating soil, and in water purification. Finally, magnesium and calcium are vital in living systems. Magnesium is central to chlorophyll in plants and helps enzymes work. Calcium is essential for bones, teeth, muscle movement, and blood clotting. That wraps up our overview of sodium compounds, calcium compounds, and the biological importance of sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium.